We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning. Today we have to study about Electrolux ammonia water H2 vapor absorption refrigeration system. Introduction is that the Electrolux refrigeration system is also called 3 fluid absorption refrigeration system. 3 fluid is that ammonia, H2O gas and water. The main purpose of this system is to make the machine noiseless to eliminating of moving part. There is no any moving part available in a VAR system. That you have to say that is a noiseless systems. Only there is a one pump is for an use for the refrigerant flow in all circuit systems, but it's not creating any type of the noise. So that the view said that the VAR system is a noiseless system. Ammonia is used as a refrigerant, hydrogen being a lighted gas, and is used to increase the rate of evaporation of liquid ammonia. Hydrogen gas, the main uses of in this system is to increase the evaporated rate of ammonia passing through evaporator. This is the use in low pressure side of the system. Water is used to solvent because it has the ability to absorb amount of heat ammonia in the readily. This is the diagram from Electrolux VAR system. First component part is a generator. First component part is generator. Generator, we have to give the external heat to the generator, and water and ammonia get vaporized in the generator. Then after that, there is ammonia vapor and H2 vapor pass through the rectifier. The function of rectifier is that there is a separate the NH3 and H2O vapor, and NH3 return back to the generator, and NH3 vapor pass through the condenser. Means you have to separate NH3 and H2O. Ammonia vapor are passed through the condenser, and its condenser reject heat to atmosphere, and ammonia vapor it's cool down and convert into the liquid form. Then after this ammonia liquid form is passed through the evaporator. There is a one thing is that there is a working fluid is 3. Ammonia is a main refrigerant, water is an absorber, and H2O gas for using a high evaporating rate. H2O gas. After the entering the liquid ammonia into the evaporator, there is a hydrogen gas available in their systems, because of the liquid ammonia is a low pressurized and low temperaturized, and it gives self evaporated at the latent heat and absorb the heat from the cooled space, but the evaporating rate is very lower. We have to increasing the evaporator rate in the evaporator. We have to add hydrogen gases, lighter hydrogen gases. It will increase the speed of absorption capacity and highly evaporated rate. That is the evaporator. There is a 2 fluid are there, liquid ammonia and hydrogen, for getting a higher increasing rate of evaporation rate and higher capacity of the absorbing heat. Then after this liquid evaporator and H2 gas are out from the evaporator and pass through the ammonia and hydrogen absorber. This liquid ammonia is passed through the absorber, and the hydrogen gas is separated from the absorber by the NH3. This NH3 vapor and weak solution from the generator are mixed into the absorber. The weak solution is coming from the generator, and the NH3 vapor are coming from the evaporator, and it's mixed in absorber. The H2 gas are self-separated from the absorber because of the lighter gas, whereas the ammonia and H2 gas is a higher dense material. It's give the bottom side of the absorber, and top side of the hydrogen gas is self-extracted and separated. This the mixture of ammonia vapor and hydrogen vapor is cooled down in the absorber and converted into the liquid form. This liquid form are pumped and returned back to pass through a generator. This is the diagram of Electrolux VAR natural flow working system. We have to show that in a many more engineering college laboratory there is available of VAR Electrolux refrigerator. There is no any moving part, no any pumping parts, or no any pumps are available this type of the fridge. The flow of ammonia and H2O is naturally, and system is working. The system of VAR is very low efficient and low COP. The maximum temperature up to drop down up to 5 degree centigrade, the limiting temperature, but is not given less than 0 centigrade. Working of this cycle, NH3H2O and H2 gas cycle. Ammonia is used as a refrigerant. Hydrogen is being a lighter gas and used to increase the rate of evaporation of the liquid ammonia passing through the evaporator. This is used in a low pressure side system for a increasing of refrigeration effect in evaporator side. Water is used for a solvent because it is a highly ability to absorb ammonia readily. Means there is a gives a stable mixed solution of NH3 and H2O. The strong ammonia solution from the absorber through heat exchanger and is heated in the generator by using an external source, usually a gas burner. You have to give the externally heat to the generator. The ammonia vapor thereby produced are sent to the condenser via rectifier, or water are separated from the water vapor and returned it to give in generator. Only pure NH3 vapor will pass through the condenser. Some of the water vapor are not removed, entering into the evaporator. It causes a freezing and choking of machine. Some of the water vapor are available in the systems, and it pass through the evaporator. It will create a freezing inside the tube or choking the machine. So it's necessary to have to remove all H2 particle from the system before entering the condenser. The hot weak solution left behind in the generator flow of the absorber through the heat exchanger, where it gets cooled by giving away the heat to the strong solution going to generator. In the generator we have to give the strong solution from the absorber. It's a containing of a liquid refrigerant, means H2 and NH3 pass into the generator. The accelerate, absorb and improve the performance of plant ammonia vapor are condensed during the external cooling of condenser. We have to condenser, not that about there is one type of the heat exchanger. The heat exchange between NH3 vapor to atmosphere, but we have to give the externally cooling by the any source of cooling the condenser. It's give a highly temperature drop down into the condenser. Then after this pass through the liquid refrigerant to receiver. From this liquid refrigerant flow under the gravity to the evaporator, and it's mixed to the hydrogen gases from the liquid refrigerant flow under the gravity. Means the system is working between the gravity difference. There is no any working or moving part available there, or also not available is a pump. The hydrogen gas feed into the evaporator permits to liquid ammonia to evaporator at the low pressure and temperature. According to Dalton's principle, we have to adding the hydrogen gas before the entering of evaporator. It's give the increasing rate of the ammonia, highly increasing rate. The highly increasing rate is highly absorbing heat from the cooled or unclosed spaces. The ammonia absorbs the latent heat from the refrigerant space during the evaporation and thus produce a cooling effect. The ammonia vapor and hydrogen mixture is passed through the absorber where ammonia is absorbed in the water while hydrogen rise up to top flow back to the evaporator. It means that's a self-separated from the evaporator. The coefficient of performance is given by COP is heat absorbed by the evaporator divided by heat supplied by the generator. We have to calculating COP for VAR system. Okay, thank you.